Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost. Let him know.
Let them know I'm in.
Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, Spirit of God, my strong foundation. Let him know.
Let them know I'm in.
Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, Asanya na manate, Uriana manate. Let him know.
Let them know I'm in.
'Cause you are able, able, able to deliver and to save. You are the Lamb upon the throne. Holy Ghost, Spirit of God, give me an encounter so my world will know. Hey, let them know. I am a Messiah. As I go from this place to my world, let them know. Jesus, let them know. Let them know I met you.
Let them know.
Say let them know.
Let them know.
Say let them know.
Let them know I'm in.
Let them know I met you, Lord. Let them know. Hey, let them know. Let them know. Shut up, Mama. Let my world know I met you. Shut up, Mama. Let them know. Let them know. I let them know. Let them know. Let them know. Let them know that I met with you. Thank you. Holy Ghost. Shedebebebebebasai. Rani mama makabante. O shedebendikatosa. I am tired of explaining. Let them know I met you. Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, my own friend. I let him know I met you. Holy Ghost, Spirit of God, my helper. Oh, let them know. Let them know I met you. Lord, let them know I met you. Jesus, let them know I met you. As I go to my world, let them know I met you. Hey,
Let them know I'm in.
let them know that I met you.
Let them know I'm in.
This is all the cry confident. Let them know that I met you. As I go to my world, I don't want to explain your presence anymore. I want to be a carrier and a dispenser of your glory. Let your glory flow from within me. As your fire burns through my bones, let them know that I met you. Let your signs and your wonders be so visible that they will know that I met you. Let them know.